Do you know, some dry fruits can give you income for decades with less water, less labor, and no huge investment? If you're a small farmer or just starting your farming journey, this video is exactly for you. Dry fruit farming is growing fast because it offers long-term income, high market demand, and much less daily stress compared to regular crops. Let's explore the top 5 options one by one. First, almonds. Almond trees grow well in cool and hilly regions. They need less water, start giving yield in 3 to 4 years, and always have strong market value. For beginners, almonds are easy to manage and naturally resistant to many pests. Next, cashew. One of the easiest dry fruits to farm in India. Cashew grows even in poor soil, needs very little water, and thrives in tropical and coastal regions. Once established, the trees give stable income every year. Now, pistachio. Pista trees love hot summers, dry climates, and well-drained soil. They need less irrigation, and although yield starts in 5 to 7 years, the returns are very high and long-lasting. Fourth, walnut. If your area has cold winters, walnut farming is a great choice. Once planted, walnut trees need very little care and can produce nuts for decades with steady year-round demand. Finally, dates. Date palms are perfect for hot and dry regions like Rajasthan, Gujarat, and parts of Maharashtra. They grow well in sandy soil, resist diseases, and offer excellent market prices, especially during festival seasons. If you want high-value crops, less daily work, and long-term income security, these dry fruits are the best place to start. Tell me in the comments, which dry fruit would you like to grow on your farm? And for step-by-step farming guides, subscribe to Discover Agriculture. New videos coming very soon.